right thing. The hurricane damaged my house. I called my insurance company right away. They sent out an adjuster. He came back and said, hey, we owe you some money. You do have a covered loss. And he gave me $8,700. But I have severe damage to my house. That's not going to cover it. Is that really all they owe me? Can I do anything about it? Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, here to answer all your insurance-related questions. And this is actually among my favorite stories. We're talking over here with a military veteran, spent his life in the Army. During this time, he actually saved most of his money, invested it, and when he left the Army, he bought himself a beautiful waterfront property to retire in. Well, shortly after he retired, the hurricane came and destroyed his house, doing severe damage. We're talking roof damage, we're talking about window damage, water coming in damaging the floor, water came in and damaged his custom Amish cabinetry that came with the house. So he gave us a call and we were able to fight his claim properly and get him another $180,000. How is it not criminal that the insurance company was able to attempt to get away with paying this $200,000 claim only $8,700 without our help? It just doesn't seem rational. Well, you may have seen my other videos where I am now on a mission to change insurance in the United States, where homeowners should have basic protection. I'm calling it the Fair Insurance Act. We would like you to join us on this mission if you're able to help us in any which way by getting the message out. If you'd like to volunteer to join our team to make this happen. This is in the ground roots phase. I need everyone's help. You can reach out to me, help@fairinsuranceact.org. And of course, as always, if you found this content useful, please like, share, comment, tell your friends all about us, and you can always reach out to us with your insurance questions at questions@pantherpa.com. Thank you. Have a great day.